Hey little kids, I'm back with a new video. Today I will learn you how to draw Indian tricolor kite. Here I'm drawing a beautiful kite and then I will color it with tricolor. So let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete my drawing. Now let's start to color it. Here I'm using sketch pen color. First color is orange color. Color, which color do you want? I want orange color. Now I'm using deep blue color to draw the whale. Color, which color do you want? I want deep blue color. And the last color I'm using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Wow, the tricolor kite is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.
Wow!